How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. Welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today, let me show you how you can begin affiliate marketing. First, let's talk about how affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing works by promoting another company's products, and once someone makes a purchase through your referral, you earn a commission. In this article, it says how to start affiliate marketing. First, choose your niche. Ask yourself on what kind of niche you are good. Second, decide on what platform to use, whether it's a website, YouTube, TikTok, and many more. Decide on where you think your marketing platform will work on you. Next, find affiliate programs to join. It may be hard at first, but trust in yourself and you will land a good affiliate program. Next, create a great content. Make sure that everyone will reach you and be an eye catcher to audience. Lastly, if you've created great content, the next step is to get more people to read it so they will click on your affiliate links. Just keep in mind the simple steps. For sure, you will shine in this way of earning money. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.